Hey guys, we're here at the beach on Oak Island. I know we've been here before, but today we're going to do something a little bit different than I've been able to do in the past. So you can see the water behind me. Let's go walk out into the water. So I'm walking out into the water and I'm seeing something kind of cool because I've got my polarized sunglasses on. There's these little fish that scuttle into the beach. See if we can see some of them. Let's wait till these waves roll by, because you have to wait till the water's a little bit clear. Okay, hold your breath. I don't know whether you saw anything or not, but hope you didn't mind my putting your head underwater. I see one with our name on it. Here it comes, here it comes. Okay, let's go take some glasses off. Well, we're out here beyond where the surf is stirring up the sand. Although there's still some good size waves at this point. But let's go under and see what we can see under here, if anything. Usually once you get out past knee high, there's not a lot except maybe some flounder and some crabs. But let's take a look. Okay, we're going to turn you around this way, away from me, and see if you can see anything that way. I guess I'll know when I see the footage at home.